Okay, Tai Tai, come here. You gonna help Daddy put it in? You ready? Good. Let me get it the right way, okay? Here we go. Put it in. Wait. Okay, ready? Push it down. Oh, good. Smack it. Did you get it? High fives. All right. Well, I don't know if that came out or not, but Tai Tai is my helper today. He was supposed to go down for a nap, but that didn't happen. So we're making the best of it. You want to say hi? Say howdy.
Hey.
Hey. Are you silly?
Mama.
Where's Mama?
Hi.
At the ballpark? Say bye-bye.
Hi.
You say, yeah, Sai's got a game. Can you say bye-bye?
Hi.
Yeah, Abby's with him too. Can you say bye-bye?
Yes.
Blow kisses? Oh.